So hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and we are back with another video talking about Bitcoin and how it has just seen a recent huge price bump in the price of Bitcoin. So we'll be talking about what's going on and how that has changed the patterns in the chart. So let's get before we get started, do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's talk about what's happening. And if we just switch scenes real quick, we can see, we'll come back to this later. Let's just talk about what's going on with Bitcoin right now. And at the time of recording this video, Bitcoin is currently trading at $45,525, up about 2.04% in the past 24 hours. Now if we just take a look at this left panel right here, we can see that our market cap is around $893 billion, and it is also up because our market cap is also kind of proportional to the price. So if the price is up, the market cap is also up in most cases. And if we talk about the volume, we are at around our regular volume of bull runs of around 24.4 billion. Now the usual volume tends to be around $24 billion in regular bull runs, and that's what we are seeing in this bull run also. It is also up around 5.27% from yesterday, which is also nice to see. And if we just take a look at this daily graph right here of Bitcoin, and we can also see that right here we are in the daily time frame. And if we look at where we were at 24 hours ago, we were trading at around 44.6k, and we have in the first couple hours we were trading in the red, and we are after that we have come back in the green throughout almost the whole day right here, which we can see. And the red parts were only a couple hours, then we have blasted to the green side. If we talk about our daily low, which was around 44.4k right here at around 2 a.m., and if we talk about our daily high, which was around 45.5k at around 3:35 p.m. Now this is just an estimate, we don't know the exact numbers. We have to head into the candlesticks and all of that, so we're not going to go into full detail, but that's what basically we are seeing in the daily time frame. So if we look at the past 7 days, we are up around 5.5%, and we can visibly see that this huge price change has only happened in the past 2 days. If we look right here, this just started on the 7th, which was yesterday, even midday at around 12 p.m. right here we can already see. If we look at the first couple days, it was choppy sideways action, was pretty flat, just a little bit of movement here and there, and it wasn't going in a specific direction. It was going sideways, it wasn't going up or down. And this is where was the turning point. So around midday of the 7th, this is where we started seeing this green momentum starting back up, and this is where we started to see the price go from around the low 43,000, the high 42, all the way up to around the price we are seeing right now, around 45.5k. so we are in the good range right now. We have come up by a lot in the past 7 days, matter of fact just the past 2 days. So if we head into the charts right here, if we go into the hourly time frame, we can see this was our pattern that was forming in Bitcoin. So it has been forming for a while now, and this is also called the symmetrical triangle pattern. If you are familiar with trading, we can already see that the price kept decreasing as we went on with the trend, and this is what we saw. And here which we basically finally saw the breakout that we have been waiting for quite a bit of time. This is where we have finally seen the breakout, and as you can see, it is pretty successful. We are doing great on this breakout. It has already gone up around let's see, let me just calculate. It has already gone up around 5% since this breakout has happened, so that is also some very good news. We have officially broken out from this pattern that we were forming since the past couple of days, from starting from 28th of January. So this is a pretty decent achievement for Bitcoin to have, and we have seen huge price changes after this breakout, so that is also nice to see. And that was pretty much it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about how Bitcoin is having a breakout from a recent pattern that I was seeing, and how Bitcoin has seen huge price changes in its price since the past couple of days. A matter of fact, just the past 2 days. So it has seen some huge momentum, and we are back in the green days, so that is also nice to see. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, and if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talk about any recent price changes and any recent movements that we have seen, like this one. So do make sure to tune in daily. And I also create long form content like this, talking about any recent patterns that we have seen in the crypto community. So this is just one example of the videos I create, and I also talk about any recent news, so do make sure to check out those videos as well. So if you like this video, please do make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.